What's up, you guys? Your boy Seiko. How you guys been? Leave it down in the comments below. Now we'll reply back. Alright, you guys. So I know you see by the title, C7 is no longer in my hands. So I'm driving right now, and if you hear that rattling, that's the exhaust. But yeah, I guess I will be showing y'all the new reveal for the channel. It sucks, but hey, I'll be back. I'm gonna be back. But yeah, right now I'm finna do the last little things I need to do, and yeah, I'll be dropping it off at the dealership. And yep, I already did paperwork and all that. So yeah, as far as all the parts and stuff I got, it's gonna be up for sale soon. So yeah, but I guess I will be enjoying this last drive, and I'll pick y'all back up once I get the new build. Alright, you guys, as you can see, the Z is gone. I mean, not the Z. The Z is right there. The Vet is gone, and yeah. So I'm turning y'all around and show y'all the new build. Boom, there it is. There's the new build. Got me a truck. So I know y'all guys wondering why did I do that and what's the reason behind it. I will talk to y'all in a little bit. Let me hop in the truck right quick and let y'all hear the first cold start. Alright, you guys. First cold start. It's a diesel truck, 6.6 liter. Yeah, so it's gonna be the new build on the channel. You can hear it. So I'm gonna get in the truck and talk to y'all for a little bit, and yeah, let y'all know what's been going on behind the scenes, and yeah, hopefully y'all won't get mad at me for this, but hey, it is what it is. At the end of the day, I'm doing stuff for me, not for y'all. One day, whenever I have enough subscribers, we'll build something strictly for the subscribers. And yeah, so yeah. Alright, you guys, so these people cannot drive. First thing first, whenever you buy a vehicle, please get insurance, because people drive like straight dumbasses around here, and it gets annoying. But anyways, right now headed over here to my brother so he can detail the truck. And yeah, so well, guess I'm gonna spill the beans, you guys. I hate to say all this, but y'all know damn well my vid ain't going nowhere. This was clickbait like I had to get y'all one time, because I hadn't did clickbait in I don't know how long. I did it a long time ago, and a lot of people didn't like that, but at the same time it's funny because it's like, you know, it attracts more viewers or whatnot. But at the same time, I hate to do that because I'm like, I don't like to, you know, do that much. I don't like to do all that. But now, all jokes aside, you guys, I can't get rid of that car that easy. It is not that easy to get rid of. Once you've invested so much money into it, it's not easy to get rid of it like that. Because trust me, it was hard for a few cars I had, and it was hard to get rid of them. But hey, it is what it is. But at the end of the day, now I wanted to get another truck, a little bit newer truck than what I had. I had an 02 model. This one is like a 11 model, and luckily, I mean, still have parts available for it, and yeah. But for the most part, you guys, yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit about what we have planned for this truck, and yeah, maybe y'all will be seeing this a lot more on the channel.
2 weeks later.
All right, you guys. So, and my parts came in for my truck, so yeah, got me a speaker set up from Scar. So I did do some stuff to the truck too as well. So yeah, it's been balls to the wall really for the past 2 weeks and still not finished. So yeah. Yes, this is one of the speakers. But I'm gonna put y'all down, and then I'm gonna put y'all back up, pick y'all back up once I open this box. All right, you guys, got everything open. Make sure everything was good, not damaged or anything. So I got a little 1500 watt amp and 212s, and my box is in my truck. So I'm gonna take the other speakers out. Those are 212 kickers, so I'm probably get rid of those, post them up for sale. But yeah, and I got a ported box, so it's probably gonna hit hard in the truck. So yeah, but I'm not gonna end the video right here, you guys. I'm just showing y'all what's been going on here and there. I know this video is kind of like all over the place and whatnot, but hey, I gotta get back to the content. I've been slacking, well, not such slacking, but working a lot, and you know, just trying to make things happen. And hey, it is what it is. So in the end, the results are everything is falling in place. So yeah.
Days later.
All right, you guys, so it's been a few days later, and I did end up getting me a radio too as well. So I ordered it off of Amazon. So I mean, I wasn't tripping about a radio, I just needed one because this truck came with the factory radio, and that radio is like, it don't have no Bluetooth, you don't have no aux cord, and I'm like, nah, I can't ride around like this. So I got this, I'm turning y'all around. I got this Apple Android radios, touchscreen and whatnot, and yeah, so turn y'all around. Boom, got that touchscreen. It wasn't bad to do. All you have to do is pop this out. There's like 2 screws on that side, and then 2 screws on that side, and then you can take the radio out and then disconnect your little connectors or whatnot, and then that'll be it. But this whole trim right here comes out. As you can see, that still isn't popping in. I think a clip or something was already broken. So yeah, but other than that, it was an easy install. It's not that bad to do. So, and also, like I told you, I was balls to the wall, and also I bought new emblems for the truck, for the hood vents. The hood vents are expensive. They're expensive. I wasn't expecting that to be expensive. I bought that. I bought I bought a bumper because the truck came without a bumper and without a tailgate, and that's because they had a lift gate on it. And yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all that in a second. And I'm trying to think of anything else that I bought as well, because I still, like I said, I'm still not through with this truck. And yeah, I know for sure I'm gonna get some more headlights. Let me turn y'all around. All right, so there's the emblem, and I end up replacing one of the hood vents, because one of the hood vents, as you can see, was broke on here. I guess it flew off on them, whoever owned it previously. And yeah, so I replaced that emblem, and I was like, might as well replace both sides, and I replaced this emblem. So yep. And also I'm gonna do the headlights as well, because these things are, ugh. You can clean them up, I'm pretty sure, but I don't really care too much. I'll just give me a whole new set, because this, like I said, it's an older truck, like a 2011. The prices ain't bad for new headlights or aftermarket headlights. So yeah. And the front grille, I'm not too worried about. I may do a front grille, but who knows? I might just leave it like that for now, so I can keep getting all that airflow through there. And yeah, so that steel bumper, you hit the back of that, man, that is it. That is it. I was debating about doing the front bumper as well, but I was like, it depends. I may do it, I may not. So yeah, I'm gonna get rear tail lights as well, probably a new emblem, and I believe that is it. I mean, I didn't already did the maintenance on it. I spent quite a bit on the maintenance already, so it's, I'm telling you, it's not cheap. A diesel truck is not cheap. So I got that out the way, the maintenance. That was my main concern. Other than that, that is nothing else I can really do at the moment, because yeah, I've been chilling, really trying to get everything squared away. So yeah, but sorry for the slow upload, you guys. Like I tell y'all all the time, I be busy working or whatnot, and then whenever I try to record, I record it. But I end up editing because I end up running out of time. 'Cause I'm gonna have to do stuff like errands or whatnot, and yeah, and I know it's an excuse, but still at the end of the day, it's just I don't want to bore y'all. That's like I tell y'all all the time. I don't want to bore y'all because what's the point of just recording something, you know, and then the sun is coming. What's the point of recording something and then you don't have no type of entertainment or no type of excitement, like, you know, for instance, Mexico or off-roading or fishing or something like that. And I'm gonna do more fishing videos too as well, you guys, because I've been fishing too a lot lately, and yeah, so we'll take y'all one day, and yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna end it right here. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, comment down below what you think I should work on. And shout out to the new subscribers as well. Welcome. I'm Seiko, and yeah, I have the Vet and I have a truck now, and I also have a Z. So, but I will catch y'all in the next one. Race to the fence, push it to the limit, and we winning, and we winning. Speed, I'm racing to the fence, push it to the limit, and we winning, yeah, we winning. Look at speed, I'm racing to the fence, push it to the limit, I'm speeding, I'm racing.